Hello. Update on the workshop. We are on hold at the moment because of some bureaucratic shenanigans, but that should all get resolved soon, and then we'll get back to work. Since the last video, we have most of the electrical in. You can see all these wires and light fixtures and cables running around. Everything's in except for the sub panel, and then we need to run through that tube connected to the rest of the power. And then a lot of the plumbing for that side is in, as well as some plumbing for my side right there. Now, in the meantime, I figured that I'd have some fun and build a little marble machine that kind of plays a game or something. There's a lot of scrap wood on the side of the yard that isn't going to be used for this project, so I figure I'll just use all this stuff to build a little marble machine. Build not really a marble machine, but build a little game that I can play with some marbles. Marbles, there we go. Got it. Oh, and for anyone asking, yeah, I'm gonna get back to this thing, the 2-player pinball machine, but I don't really have the capacity to work on it right now, so just trust me that when I can, I will get back to work on it. Okay, here is the game. So you get 5 rolls, 5 marbles, and you have to aim for these targets. So the maximum score, if you get all 20s, would be 100, and then the lowest score obviously would be 0 if you miss and don't get in the holes at all. But let's give it a shot and see how it goes. Now you roll it from the top of the ramp all the way. Kind of has to go over the lip there, the lip here, and then hit here. So I think it's probably about 20 feet from the top of the ramp down to the bottom over here. Oh, 10 points. Hey, that was pretty good for the first time. All right, let's try this again. And nothing. And nothing. Nothing. And 5, so I got 15. 15 out of 100. Hey, you got 20. Nothing. Oh. I guess nothing. Let's see if we knock that in. And 5. Nothing. 15. 20. And 25. Oh. 5. Nothing. Oh, so close. 10, maybe? Oh, dang it. Oh, so close. 10. 20. Oh. 25. What? What? Ah. 10. 10. Come on. 15. No. 20. Oh. 25. Oh, almost knocked it in. Oh. 10. Go, go. Oh. 20. 25. Get it. No. Hey. I got a 20. Let's see if I can beat the score. 30. There we go. And 35. Last one, make it count. 35. I'll take 35. That was a pretty good score. Let's see what the damage is on the GoPro. What do we got here? What do we got? Are you good? No scratches? Nothing bad? We're good. So it's a fun little game. Super simple to set up. I literally just threw it together with some scrap wood. It's just an old sheet of OSB from the construction. A couple of 2x4s screwed into it. Plain. I'm learning some of the things I'm gonna have to do when I get this up and running is really soundproof the inside to protect it from the outside because there's a lot of extra noises out there. Okay, so that was super simple. This was pretty easy. You can really just do whatever you want. I made it just 3 different sizes, kind of a bullseye, and a second bullseye, and then the spare one outside. Have a scrap piece so the marbles don't go flying away. And yeah, super simple. That's fun. Once this place is up and running for real, I'll really get to utilize the space. I imagine just doing some stuff up there, you know, up there working its way down, you know, from all the way to the back to the front. Should be fun. I don't know what those are, but there's two of them, and they're screaming. They're screaming at each other. One's up there, and one's over there. See if I can get closer and see what it is. Dang it! It's just like it's like a large. I saw it one time. It's a large cricket, and they're just, I don't know, the strangest thing. I guess you could say this was the first marble machine or marble run in my new shop. Lots more to come. Okay, that's it for now. See ya. Oh.